Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the fabric softener dispenser in your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's not dispensing properly or because it's cracked or broken. For this repair, we'll just be using a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our washer here. And this piece right on top is our fabric softener dispenser. So in order to get it off, we're just going to take a flathead screwdriver and we're going to pry it up until the whole piece pops right off. There we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement fabric softener dispenser, and if you don't have it already, you can find it on our online store. So when we put this in here, we're just going to line up these clips right here with the slots right inside of our agitator assembly. And all you have to do is just push it down until it snaps into place. And now we can close our door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.